Truck Team, model! I'm the excavator, and I'm good at digging. I'm a crane. I'm very strong. I'm the bulldozer. I'm an expert at pushing the dirt. Dump truck. Road roller. Concrete mixer. We're Super Truck Team. We're not afraid of difficulties and are ready for challenges. Huh? Hi. Where's the Super Truck Team needed? Let's check it out. Super Truck Team, let's wait to set off. Train station construction. Hi. Excavator, transform. Super Truck Team, let's set off. A train station needs to be built here. Truck Team, can you complete this task? No problem. Super Truck Team, let's get to work. I'm the bulldozer. I can clean up the mess on the ground.